Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. Practice English with us in a friendly and easy way.
Hi, friends. I'm David.
And I'm Emily. We're happy you're here today.
If you enjoy learning English with us, please like, share, and subscribe. It helps more learners practice English.
Today's topic is simple and useful. Weekend plans. We will talk about what people do on Saturday and Sunday.
Yes, this is real English you can use in everyday life.
Let's start with a simple question. What are weekend plans?
Weekend plans are things you want to do on your days off. For example, relaxing, traveling, meeting friends, or studying.
Great explanation. We'll practice vocabulary, questions, and answers.
And remember, short sentences are okay. Simple English is powerful English.
Let me start. On weekends, I usually wake up late. Then I drink coffee and read a book.
Nice. My weekend is different. I wake up early and exercise. Sometimes I go to the park.
Listeners, think about your weekend. You can answer later. Key question number 1. What are you doing this weekend? Repeat with us.
What are you doing this weekend? Example answer, I am visiting my family.
Another example, I am staying home.
Great job if you repeated that.
Useful verbs. Relax, visit, watch, play, travel, study.
Let's use them in sentences. I relax at home. I visit my friend. I watch movies.
I play games. I travel sometimes. I study English, of course. Now, conversation practice. David, what are you doing Saturday?
Good question. I am meeting a friend for lunch.
That sounds fun. Where are you eating?
We're eating at a small restaurant.
Listeners, notice the question, where are you eating? Try asking someone this question.
Useful phrases. That sounds fun. Good idea. Let's do that. Maybe next time.
Example.
Let's watch a movie.
Good idea. Let's talk about common weekend activities.
Examples. Cleaning the house, shopping, cooking, sleeping, exercising.
I am cleaning my room. I am shopping for food.
I cook rice and vegetables. Simple and healthy.
Great example. Simple sentences help confidence. Conversation grows when you ask more questions.
Yes, try these. Who are you going with? When will you go? Why do you like it?
Example conversation. I am going to the beach.
Who are you going with?
I am going with my family.
That's real English conversation practice.
Let's do a longer natural conversation. Hi, David. Do you have plans this weekend?
Yes, I do. I plan to exercise and visit my cousin. How about you?
I might watch movies and cook dinner. Nothing busy, just relaxing.
Relaxing weekends are important.
Absolutely. Sometimes rest helps us learn better.
Great point. And listeners, you can pause and repeat this dialogue.
Let's review key phrases. What are you doing this weekend? That sounds fun. Good idea. I am relaxing at home.
You learned vocabulary, questions, and real conversation today. Good job.
Now it's your turn. 1. What do you do first on Saturday? 2. Do you stay home or go out? 3. What is your favorite weekend activity?
Write your answers in comments or say them out loud. Speaking builds confidence.
Thank you for practicing English with us today.
Remember, learning English takes time. Go slowly. Be patient.
You are improving every day.
Like, share, and subscribe for more real English practice.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.